Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we got something from the USA. This one's sent by James from Lakeside, California. He had sent so many boxes, and I want to let you know, man, I really appreciate it. He always sends them in such nice condition, and so often. It's really, really, really cool. So, yeah, let's crack this open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff in this box, and he bubble wraps everything. It's rad. First up, we've got the Snapdragon variety, and it's just simply chicken ramen. And I've done a lot of reviews of this Snapdragon brand, and I've never seen this one. Nice. Oh, and look at this. We've got a Japanese Nissan UFO cup. These are usually in a tray. And I've tried one of them, but I don't know that I've had this one. I'm very curious as to what it is. So he sent a Thai yellow curry variety of this stir-fry rice with noodles before, but this is the Japanese chicken teriyaki and a Korean spicy beef. Yeah, it's like there's rice in here, and then there's rice-sized lengths of instant noodle. It's kind of, in a way, if you think about it, kind of like rice-a-roni. You've got your rice and you have your pasta kind of thing. So cool. I'm really fascinated by these, and these aren't around here. So cool. And here's a score. This one's from Paldo. This is a cheese tteokbokki, and it's tumse, so it's ultra spicy. This is really neat. I've never seen this. I'm gonna have to do this one soon. Then here's a Manraku variety. I've tried a ton of these too, but I've never even heard of this. This is their Japanese yakisoba with black pepper and garlic. Yeah, where are you going and finding these, dude? This is really neat. And then here's a Nissan UFO. I'm pretty sure I haven't had. I can't tell if this is I know it's a yakisoba, but I don't know if it's just one with mayo or karashi mayo, or I don't know. Maybe it's wasabi. I don't know, but definitely one that I've never seen in the States before. And is it from? Yeah, it's definitely Japanese. What does it say here? Koi Koi Ryu Mayo. Interesting. And then here's one from a Taiwanese brand called MIT or MIT. I don't know how they like to go by, but this is a shallot sauce dry noodle. And here's the logo for them, but again, we've got another dry noodle. This is a ginger and sesame variety. And here's one from Tokushima Typhoon. This is a really well-known company in Japan that you never see this stuff over here. This is a bukkake udon. Bukkake, you know, there's some negative connotation to it, but bukkake just means splash. So it's udon with a splash of possibly like a hayashi soba kind of thing, or yeah, cool. Well, wow, 10 different awesome varieties. Thank you so much. I've not reviewed any of these. They look a lot like good ones. I'm really, really curious, especially about this chicken ramen. The Taiwanese varieties sound good, and yeah, everything sounds like a lot of fun, so I'm looking forward to giving these a try. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.